Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up omni-channel in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to enable the omni-channel in our settings. And basically to do so, we will need just to go to our setup. From here, click on setup, and then we need just to go to omni-channel, and we will need to enable it first. So those are our settings here. We go and enable the omni-channel, and we click on save. So basically now we can enhance the omni-channel routing, we can allow it, and we can just check to accept, and basically now we can start accessing our omni-channel features. So now we can just need to search for our service channels if you want to add any ones, and basically it depends truly on your license or your premium plan that you are using for your organization. And then you can go back to the omni channel and you can start finding all the other configuration. So basically you can start creating some routing configuration. You can add the service channels, so you can add the routing or the route working from the Salesforce object, like the cases, chats, leads, etc. And you can create a new one. So basically, you can just click on new and set your omni-channel, your service channel, and you can start adding the channel name and the developer name, etc., and which objects it would work on. After that, you will need to start creating the presence status. So basically here we can find the presence statuses and you can create a new one, and from there you can add the status of these and you can add a channel to it. And as you can see, either it will be online or it would be basic. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.